What's up, EV enthusiasts, and welcome back to ElectroDrive News. Get ready for a rapid-fire update that's going to blow your circuits. First up, the vibrant city of Hong Kong is making a serious power move, actively pitching itself as the ultimate assembly base for China's burgeoning EV makers. This isn't just talk, they're in deep discussions to bring manufacturing to their shores. Then, we've got some surprising news from Ram. They're officially ending their plans for an all-electric pickup truck, the Ram 1500 REV. But don't despair, they're pivoting to something else that might just change the game. And get this, Hyundai is dropping jaws with a stunning new concept EV that's got everyone talking, and we're diving deep into what it all means for the future of electric mobility. Plus, we've got the full scoop on the evolving electric truck landscape. Stick around, you won't want to miss a single second. Make sure you're subscribed and the bell is on. Hong Kong's bold EV ambition, a new manufacturing hub on the horizon. Get ready, because Hong Kong is rolling out the red carpet and revving up its industrial ambitions, aiming to become the go-to assembly base for China's electric vehicle titans. This isn't just a casual idea. City officials are in active, high-level discussions with multiple Chinese EV manufacturers, signaling a significant strategic pivot to diversify its economy through advanced manufacturing. The plan is to establish a sophisticated EV assembly operation, a complex undertaking that requires a highly skilled workforce, right within the bustling financial hub. Sources close to the matter reveal that potential sites are being scouted in Hong Kong's new territories, strategically located to leverage proximity to mainland China. This move could redefine Hong Kong's economic landscape, moving beyond finance and into the cutting edge of automotive technology. Imagine sleek, new electric vehicles rolling off assembly lines in a city known more for its skyline than its factories. It's a bold vision. The implications are massive. If successful, this initiative could inject new life into Hong Kong's economy, create high-tech jobs, and further solidify China's dominance in the global EV market by establishing a crucial manufacturing foothold in a globally recognized financial center. Industry analysts are already buzzing about the potential for innovation and the impact on supply chains. Will this visionary plan transform Hong Kong into an EV powerhouse? We're watching closely. Stay tuned, because the EV world is full of surprises, and what's happening with Ram's truck strategy next is absolutely wild. Ram reverses course. Electric pickup plans cancelled, range-extended truck takes the wheel. In a stunning turn of events, Ram has officially slammed the brakes on its all-electric pickup truck, the Ram 1500 REV. Citing a slowdown in demand for full-size battery electric trucks in North America, Stellantis, Ram's parent company, has decided to discontinue development of a purely electric full-size pickup. This decision marks a significant shift in strategy for the automaker, which had previously showcased the all-electric REV with considerable fanfare. Instead of going fully electric for its flagship pickup, Ram is pivoting to an extended-range electric vehicle, EREV model. This new direction will see the Ramcharger, previously a separate model, rebranded as the Ram 1500 REV. This innovative approach combines a battery-electric powertrain with a gasoline-powered generator, promising an estimated 690 miles of range on a single fill-up and charge. This strategy aims to address consumer concerns about range anxiety and charging infrastructure, while still offering an electrified experience. The journey for the electric Ram 1500 REV has been a long and winding one, marked by multiple delays. Initially slated for a 2024 launch, the timeline slipped to 2025, then to 2026, and most recently, to 2027. Stellantis has confirmed that production for the extended-range Ram 1500 is now slated to begin in 2026. This move reflects a broader reassessment of EV strategies within Stellantis, as the company navigates the complexities of market demand, production costs, and consumer preferences in the rapidly evolving electric vehicle landscape. The automotive world is abuzz with this strategic pivot. While some analysts see it as a pragmatic response to market realities, others question the long-term viability of EREVs compared to pure EVs. Ram enthusiasts are particularly keen to see how this new Ram 1500 REV will perform, especially given the brand's reputation for robust trucks. The question on everyone's mind: can this extended range approach satisfy the demanding needs of truck buyers? But the EV revolution never sleeps, and our next story reveals a compact electric concept that's injecting some serious style and fun into urban driving. Hyundai Concept 3 debuts, a compact EV with Veloster-inspired. Get ready for a jolt of futuristic fun. Hyundai has just unveiled Concept 3 at the 2025 IAA Mobility Show in Munich, and this compact EV concept is turning heads with its undeniable Veloster vibes and urban-ready design. This isn't just another concept. It's a bold statement from Hyundai's IONIQ sub-brand, hinting at a new era of stylish and practical electric mobility for city dwellers. Concept 3 is a compact powerhouse, measuring just 168.8 inches long and 56.2 inches tall, with a wheelbase of 107.2 inches. Its squat, athletic stance and aerodynamic hatchback profile, complete with a sleek, sloped roofline and vertical tailgate, give it a dynamic presence. The design language, dubbed Art of Steel, features flowing surfaces, sharp lines, and a unique tungsten gray body contrasted with lemon-tinted glass and matching wheels. The signature parametric pixel lighting, now in a gradient pattern, adds a futuristic touch, instantly identifying it as part of the IONIQ family. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that Hyundai calls a furnished space, designed for comfort and minimalism. A squircle-shaped steering wheel with a pixel-light display, modular tech elements, and a blend of soft curves and dynamic angles create a modern aesthetic. Hyundai is emphasizing sustainability, incorporating materials like ocean waste textiles and lightweight aluminum foam. Adding a playful touch is Mr. Pix, an interactive character embedded throughout the cabin to spark joy, alongside customizable, bring-your-own lifestyle widgets. This concept is perfectly poised for the European market, where urbanization and strict emissions policies drive demand for compact EVs. Hyundai's commitment to electrification is clear, with plans for an electrified version of every European model by 2027 and 21 global EVs by 2030. Concept 3 represents a significant step in this direction, potentially offering a fun, sustainable, and customizable option for urban commuters. The spirit of the quirky Veloster is alive and well, now electrified and ready for the future. But before we wrap up, there's one more critical update on the electric truck front that you absolutely need to hear. Ram cancels electric pickup, shifts focus to extended range model. In a significant strategic shift, Ram has officially pulled the plug on its highly anticipated all-electric 1500 REV pickup truck. Stellantis, the parent company, announced the cancellation, citing a noticeable slowdown in demand for full-size battery electric trucks within the North American market. This move signals a reassessment of the company's electric vehicle roadmap and its approach to the competitive pickup truck segment. The decision means the battery-powered 2026 Ram 1500 REV, which had already faced several delays and timeline adjustments since its concept debut in early 2023, will not reach production. Instead, Ram is doubling down on its extended-range electric vehicle, EREV, strategy. The previously announced Ramcharger, which utilizes a gasoline-powered V6 engine to act as a generator for its battery, will now be rebranded and sold as the Ram 1500 REV. This model promises an impressive estimated range of 690 miles, aiming to alleviate range anxiety for truck buyers. This pivot comes as Stellantis navigates challenges in its EV strategy, including high battery costs and consumer adoption rates. The electric pickup truck market, while growing, remains a tough battlefield with significant competition and demanding customer expectations for towing and hauling capabilities. Without stringent fuel economy regulations pushing for immediate full electrification, Stellantis appears to be prioritizing a more gradual, hybrid-focused approach for its truck division, at least for the time being. Industry watchers are closely monitoring how this decision will impact Ram's market position and its ability to compete with rivals offering pure electric pickups. The focus on an extended-range model suggests a strategy aimed at bridging the gap between traditional internal combustion engines and fully electric powertrains, catering to a segment of the market that may still be hesitant about going fully electric. The success of this new Ram 1500 REV will be crucial for the brand's future electrified offerings. That's all the electrifying news for today, but don't go anywhere yet. Wow, what a ride through the EV universe. We saw Hong Kong aiming to be an EV manufacturing hub, Ram ditching its electric pickup for an extended-range model, Hyundai teasing a stylish compact EV concept, and a major shift in the electric truck landscape. Don't miss out on any future updates. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this, subscribe to ElectroDrive News for all your EV news needs, hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop, and drop a comment below telling us what you think about these incredible developments. You can also follow us on all social media platforms for even more electrifying content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.